So this is your standard AR-15 civilian model, though mine is very cheap compared to a lot of them. First, we start with the bolt assembly. So you take the bolt and then the bolt assembly, slide it in there. Then you take the cam pin, which guides the bolt out of the barrel, slide it in there. Then you go with the firing pin. Slide it in there. And then you take this part, which is a pain to put back in. This is the retainer pin, which basically holds the firing pin in place so it doesn't slide out. And it's a pain to put it back in because you have to squish it. Boom. And then you check it by going like that, and you slam it. You want to make sure the motion, the sliding motion, is being done. Okay. Then you take your lower power assembly. You take the spring that basically bounces back the trigger, the bolt assembly. And you slide it in there. Boom. There we go. You take your charging rod. You slide it in halfway. You take your bolt assembly, you slam it in there, boom. You take these two pins right here, boom, boom, ta-da. And now for how this works, because that one's also in there. So how this works, when you pull this charging handle, it slides this, the bolt assembly, backwards into this spring right here, and then cocking the hammer back. Wait, sure. When you pull the trigger, the hammer hits the firing pin right here. The firing pin hits the primer on the bullet. The bullet goes down the path of least resistance and goes down the barrel. The extra gas goes to there's right about here, there's what we call a gas tube extractor, which I cannot get out because I don't have the tools for that. And it goes down this little metal tube right here. And comes out right there. That little tube right here. In which it will go down this right here, and then filling the part of the bolt about there. Right. This is why I want it. This is why I wanted it disassembled it first. Filling this area of the bolt, making it, and with the gas comes in such a force that when it's like that, it will push it back hard, well yeah, like that basically, and will push it with enough force to come back, slide this thing backwards, over again the hammer, back into the spring, which it will push it forward. And that's how this gas operating system on AR-15s works.